So, what is your name?
My name is Sarvagya.
Sarvagya. Sarvagya. So, give me a brief introduction about yourself.
Actually, I am from Riga. I have completed my graduation from Riga. Then I have completed my post graduation. After that, I am working as an intern close to us from last 6 months.
Okay, what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are I like to play cricket, cooking, etc.
What are your strengths?
My strength is I am persistent, hard worker, and self-motivated person.
What are your weaknesses?
My weakness is sometimes I take much time to do a task, but I can overcome it.
Okay. Sarvagya, what is the name of the company you're working for?
For ProScaler Limited.
ProScaler. So for how long you working for that company?
I'm working here from last 6
So, explain your recent project, please.
My recent project is e-commerce app, which is based on React application, and it has many functionalities like add to cart, filter by category, filter by products. These are the functionalities, payment gateway, etc.
Okay. So, have you worked on API also?
Sorry?
Have you worked on API too?
Yes, I am worked as an API, work in API.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, so sir.
Yes.
So why do you want to switch the company?
I want to switch the company because I want more skills and knowledge in the company. That's why I want to switch the company.
So have you ever given any interview before? Have you ever given any interview before?
No, this is my first interview.
So are you comfortable to relocate to a different city?
Yes, I am comfortable to reallocate in different cities.
Have you ever visited Indore before?
No, I have not visited Indore.
So why should we hire you?
Basically, I am a front-end developer based on React, and I can work on React projects, and I have also experience of working on React projects. That's why I think you should hire me.
Okay. So what are the challenges you have faced during your development process? And how did you overcome it?
I have faced various challenges like making the functionalities, how to make the functionalities, working add to cart, filter by category. These were the major JavaScript functionalities which have the logic to get into some result. I take help from Google, GPT, etc.
So what is Axios? And where did you use in your project?
Azure is basically used to fetch the API call. It is basically used for API calling and to send a request and to get the response.
So where did you use in your project?
I have used for API calling, like when you have to send when you have make a controller function in controller, callback function in controller. Then if we have to get it our front end, then we use Axios to get it. Like it has functionalities like Axios.get, Axios.put, Axios.delete. We can do all the CRUD operations through it. In this way, I have used it.
What is the difference between class and class components? Class component and functional components.
Okay. Class-based components are used for stateful components. Like we have to make all codes and logics there, and then we render it. And functional components are stateless components in which we have to use React hooks for our state management process, like use state and use it.
So what are the advantages of React or other frameworks like Angular, Vue?
Actually, React has so much popular in IT industry, and various clients want their projects and in React application. And secondly, the working process and the working flow is also very easy in React because we have to make a component, parent component, then we have make some child components, and we don't have to make a complete project in a single page. We divide it into various components and then merge it. Then it makes our project much simpler and easy to understand.
So what are
And also,
synthetic events?
there are some other functionalities like we don't have to reload the page when we render it. It is also very fast to it.
What are synthetic events?
No idea.
So why we use key prop? Why it is necessary?
Eprop is used to send the data to the basic code. Like we have to make a key, then curly braces, and we have to send the ID of a product on anything else. Then we use key. Key is equal to curly braces, then product dot ID. In this way, we send ID. This is a unique thing.
What are high order components?
Higher order components are used to get the data and to render it. If you have to take the parameters and to render it, then higher order components are used.
What is ref?
Use ref is a React hook that is used to refer to a particular component, to a particular object.
So it gives you an access to handle the specific function or an element.
Sorry.
What are pure components?
Pure components are used in class-based components. It is basically used to make it in an application, and we don't have to change it from outer space by externally. If we do not change it externally, then it's a pure component.
What is the use of use memo?
Use memo is used for memoization. It is basically used to memorize the data in the cache memory, and it is also very fast to work on it.
What is the use of use state hook?
Use state hook is used to initialize the value in variables and to set the variables. And we can give it initial values like 0, 1, 2, false, etc. It depends on which type of application we are making.
मतलब अभी आखिरी मतलब ये डेवलपर का कोड आया तुम्हारे अंदर तुम्हारे सिस्टम पे जाना फाइल्स का कैन सेलेक्ट मल्टीपल
What are constructors?
We used to initialize the object. To invoke the object, we use constructors.
Example.
For example, we have made a product constructor. We have to make a product constructor. Then we write product is equal to product. Then we use brackets in it. In this way, we can initialize the object using constructor. And that constructor is used in our application.
What is React router?
React router is used to route to different pages. React router property is used for it.
What is Redux and what are the benefits of it?
Redux is basically used to store the data. It is basically used for store management. If we have made a component and then we have made use it in various components, then in this way we can store all the data in the Redux store and use it easily in our components. We don't have to use parent component and child component.
What is prop drilling?
Prop drilling means sending so much data from parent component to child component is prop drilling.
Can we overcome this prop drilling thing?
Yes, we can overcome it through Redux. We can use Redux and Redux toolkit that is used to send the data from Redux store to other component.
What is use callback?
Use callback is used basically used for callback functions. If you have to render a component, then use callback.
Okay. So you have a GitHub account?
Yes, I have a GitHub account.
What is the use of git pull and git push command?
Sorry?
What is the use of git pull and git push command?
Okay. Git push means we have to push a file in the GitHub. We use git push, and to pull and to take the file from that GitHub to our local system is git pull.
What is forking?
Actually, I'm not able to answer GitHub questions now. I don't use it much. That's why.
Okay. What is the salary expectation, Sarvagya?
My salary expectation is 6 lakhs per annum, but whatever the company expectations, we can discuss on it.
Done.